How to fix YouTube Shorts glitch error. To quickly fix your YouTube Shorts glitch, example flickering, freezing or just black screen, restart the app. So simply close this and remove it from your recents. Then hold on to the YouTube app for some time and go to the app icon right over here. Then scroll down and go to the storage section. Now here are two options called clear cache and clear data. Make sure to tap on both of them. Tap on clear cache and then tap on clear data and tap on delete to confirm your decision. Then head back and here you have force stop option right over at the end. Tap on force stop and tap on OK to confirm your decision. Tap OK. Then close the app. Now head over to the Play Store and search for YouTube and tap on YouTube icon and see if any update is available over here. If there is any update, there will be an update instead of open, so make sure to tap on that, and after your app is up to date, your problem should be fixed, and simply tap on open and then go to the UID search, and that's it guys. Now you can easily enjoy the UID search. And also if it is due to the connectivity issue, then you can always go to the navigation bar and turn on your airplane mode. In this way it will reset your Wi-Fi network. Then wait for 10 to 15 seconds and turn it off and then head back to your Wi-Fi. If your internet connection is not stable or strong, you can always switch back to mobile data by tapping over here. And that's it guys. In this way you can easily solve YouTube Shorts glitch error. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it useful, consider liking and subscribing to the channel. If you have any queries, comment down below. I'll see you in the next one.